going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous look featuring AFSISTER wigs. I will leave all the information for this wig down below, so make sure you guys are checking out the description box. This wig is a kinky curly texture, as well as having kinky curly edges, not only in the front, but in the back as well, around the whole perimeter of the wig, because this is a 360 wig and it does have the invisible drawstring so that you can wear your hair up in a ponytail. You can wear it however you like. So I'm just applying my hair as usual, but the kinky edges are a little tricky, so I'm gonna kind of guide you guys through that, because throughout the years I have completely messed up my kinky edged wigs because I don't know how to apply them properly, and I promise you guys, they're so much easier to apply than regular wigs. There is a learning curve with the kinky edges and how to apply the wig, but once you get it down, it's pretty simple. I'm applying my wig as usual though. You guys know I don't like glue, so I'm just using my Kiss spray and just spraying that under the lace and then putting on a band. So now to the hair, the fun part. Oh my gosh. So I have a love-hate relationship with curly hair. We always talk about this, specifically very kinky, very textured hair, because it does require maintenance. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, but baby, I don't have time for all the detangling and all the things. So I decided to just go in and comb it. I did not wash this hair before putting it in. I literally just put the wig right on my head. And I just went ahead and took a wide tooth comb and started detangling it. When I tell you this hair gave big, this hair gave fro texture, I loved it. I was just overwhelmed. Like, I was not expecting it to come out that big. Like, but look how pretty it is. It is so gorgeous. Who would have thought that would have came from that? There's no way. So anyways, I went ahead and did both sides and just kind of detangled it. I promise I'm not tugging hard on my hair. It was late, y'all. So just start from the bottom and then work your way up, or you can work in sections. The first side I worked in sections, which obviously was more effective. And then the other side, I clearly got lazy. But just start from the bottom and work your way up. When I tell you this hair is so gorgeous, brushed out, as I was brushing it out, or should I say combing it out, I was seeing so many hairstyles in my head. Wand curls, flexi rods, braid out, twist outs, wash and goes. It's just so many endless hairstyles that you can do with this. Like, the hair is so versatile, and I love that. Back to these edges, you want to brush the edges into the wig so that when you cut the lace, you're not cutting the edges. That's a big no-no. But look how natural the hairline looks. Like, I feel like this literally, you can see my hairline underneath. It's mimicking my natural hairline. So you want to avoid plucking the kinky texture wigs. I've done that in the past and you end up with bald spots because it looks odd to have a plucked hairline when it's supposed to be full and kinky and curly. Just leave it alone. Trust me, leave it alone. Now for the fun part, we're going to define our curls after we brush them out. I know it seems redundant, but you want to see the full potential of the hair before doing any kind of styling, in my opinion. So I'm using only two products. I'm using water and a curl cream. I wanted a curl cream because I wanted to define the curls, but then I didn't want it to be crunchy and hard like a mousse or gel would. There's a time and a place, and today wasn't the day. I just wanted my hair to be really fluffy and natural. So I'm going in medium sections and I'm wetting the hair and combing and brushing through the hair, wetting the hair, applying the cream, brushing it again. It's a very repetitive, tedious step, which is why I don't wear kinky curly hair often, because like, I don't know, it just is, it's so much, and then you have to wait for your hair to dry. Like, I want, when I'm done styling, my hair is done. You know what I'm saying? But it's all worth it in the end. So I just take my time. You guys are gonna see I really saturate the ends of the hair because I like when the ends of my hair are like really spiraled and defined. And I don't put too much product or water on the root because I want a lot of volume. I like my hair to get nice and big. And you guys are gonna see, ooh, look at the curls, so nice and juicy. They look so good, oh my gosh. This gets pretty repetitive, so I'm just gonna speed through this. But again, you wanna take smaller sections or medium sections, but the smaller the section, the easier it is to define. You wanna comb through it, spray it with some water, comb through it again, add your curl defining cream, and then use your Denman brush or Denman light brush to really define the curls and work that product through it. And just do that over and over. It's a very satisfying process when you're watching it, but doing it, maybe it's like a sensory thing. I think it's a personal thing. Child, ignore me. I've noticed the best way to lay these edges is to just take some wrapping foam and follow the natural curl of the edges because they are textured. Whichever way it's going, just kind of follow that. Do not create, I mean, I'm not gonna say do not because you can do whatever you want, but I wouldn't create like edges like you would on a regular frontal because it just looks odd. So you see how like the hair is curling up that way? I'm just following whichever way the curl is laying, and that gives you like that natural-esque baby hair, like real baby hair, like not edges. You're creating baby hairs. Also note that I'm not slicking all the baby hairs down. I'm pushing some of it back, and whatever little curly cues are sticking to the front, I lay them whichever way they're curling naturally to mimic a natural hairline, which you guys are going to see in a second because I put on a silk scarf, let it dry, and then I take it off. And I'm just brushing it off because I don't want baby hairs. They don't need to be laid and swooped. You could do what you want, but I just thought this was like more believable, you know? So at this point, I'm like, okay, time to like pick out the curls, make the hair big. But you guys, my hair was still like 75% wet. So I just had to give it some time. I started like picking it out, and you want to use a serum or oil so that your hair is not getting super frizzy. But I just had to sit and wait, and when I came back, baby, my hair was voluminous. It was just so big, and you can do so much with this hair, you guys. I was like, do I want to flip over? Do I want a middle part? Do I want to have up, half down? But baby, I left it as is because it's a lot of hair. But like, look at the hair, and it stayed like this throughout the day, like so gorgeous. So make sure you guys check out AFSISTER wigs. I will leave all the information for this wig down below because I think this is a good one to have in your collection. Like, look how good this looks. Like, I love it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.